Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making my homemade version of Wingstop fries. Now, if you've seen, I went recently to Wingstop and had tried the citrus mojo wings. If you can see that, watch it after you see this first. And the fries, usually I know that I think I see on another video after that, it was like the same sauce that they put on the wings, they put on the fries. I didn't ask y'all for that. Unless it automatically come on it if you order the mojo wings. I didn't know that. But yeah, I was like, where's the sweetness? I'm gonna make it today though. So yeah, here's what I have. I had one potato that I cut and I put it in some water and I'm gonna parboil it for about 5 minutes on high. And then I'm gonna take it off, cool it down, and then go ahead and fry. Now to fry, you're gonna need your oil, which I have right here. Season it with a little chili. I have complete seasoning. I'm gonna be using a little bit of that. And for the sweet part, I got my brown sugar, baby. So simple, so easy. Ain't that into it, but to do it. And is. Alright, so yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, you see how this is roaring? Yes, I'm about to turn this off. It's been about 5 minutes. It don't take all that. I took that, I rinsed it off and I set it in the refrigerator, but you know it's gonna still retain the water and oil. It's enough for me. So I'm gonna pat it. Now I usually use the paper towel. I don't have that. So I'm gonna use what I got, and that's coffee filters. Yes, y'all, come in handy. And not a coffee filter that you don't already use. A new one. I got a few more. It is my oil is actually getting heated. I'm put it on medium high heat. I'm gonna set it to the side real quick. While it's getting more hot, I'm gonna make the seasoning. I'm gonna put it in one bowl. A little bit of my medallion. I don't want too much of this though. Half a teaspoon probably. This is a chili powder. A little bit less than half a teaspoon. Now I want that sugar, so it's gonna be like a tablespoon. If you got a spoon or something, you can mix it around. Shake it up like this. Use your hand, whatever. Put it to the side. Okay, now when I'm frying fries, I like to put it inside of this because I feel like it's safer when I put it in this as opposed to just putting it on my hands. And put some more fries in here. Like I said, medium high. I still got a little bit more fries, but I'm gonna just wait. Okay, and another fry. I have to do it twice. These are the first batch I put in here already. Now I put it on a metal rack. Some people like put it in paper towels. I don't do that no more. Some things I get from when I was, younger, but I learned, and it's great. And then some things I actually learned as I got older, whether it was on social media, and then some things from social media that a lot of people do. It's like they sit on social media, and it's just like, I gotta do this. Like with seasoning flour, no, I don't do that. All I gotta do is just season the chicken or whatever I'm using, and put it in the flour, just plain, and that's good enough. I don't gotta season my meat and then also season the flour. That's doing too much. That's what's in a seasoning. But everybody wanna do it because they see it. Well, I ain't gonna do it. If it ain't broken, I'll fix it. And I'm not gonna fix it because it ain't broke. I'm putting the last little bit I got. Okay, and once I put it before, they look like they're about ready. See how golden it is? Alright, these are a little lighter than the other fry, but I'm still going to take them out because I'm just going to re-put it back in here anyway. And just take that out, and then I'm going to put the other batch back in. Alright, first you want to let it get back up to temp. So I'm just going to, I have it on medium high. I'm just going to put it up one notch. Now I got all of everything, even the first, second, and third batch on one. That's why I like when you fry it because it seems like it can all fit now. Okay, this only been about 2 minutes. You see how much dark it don't got? I'm gonna take this off. It's Cajun. And it's Cajun fries. Turn this off to wire rack. Take my seasoning and sprinkle it on. You want to make sure you do it when it's hot. I think I still need to sprinkle a little bit more. I'm going to use salt of Obadiah. Perfect combination. Let me get into a fry again. That's it. Hey y'all. Just a little comfy. My fries. I'm gonna try this ranch and ketchup. I should try it by itself first. Well, I kind of already did, but still. Not overly salted, but you taste that sweetness as well. I am putting that ranch now. Ooh. So that deal. Wingstop, is that you? That ranch good. Get a little bit more of you. This is so good. You want to see the video to me making it, then check that out. But if you already seen it, then you know. This is what I used to cover the ranch, so it got a little bit of ranch as well as that ketchup. Delicioso. Baby, this the one, not the two. Unless you want to be, but you can't have more than two. Oh, God. I still got that crispiness. You need to double fry it. It's a little bit of sweetness, not overly sweet, not overly salted. This is how you're supposed to do it. It's giving me the original kind. The one I had with the mojo. Maybe that was with the sauce, but they put too much on it. 10 all day, baby. Make this. Yeah. So I'm gonna say. You have a blessed day.